Welcome back. In this video, we'll be inserting bearing envelopes by tracing a DXF import. After creating a new project, expand the right sidebar and locate the Work Lines collection. Click the three dots to select Import Lines from DXF. Access the DXF in the course materials. Paragon translates all lines from the DXF file into work lines. Prior to inserting bearings, we will use the dimension mode to verify bearing widths. Let's verify the house wall width. Select the dimension mode and click on the house walls to confirm size. Repeat for the garage walls. These look good, so we'll go ahead and start tracing at the front left corner of the building. To do so, right-click and select Bearing Envelope. For this exercise, we'll add our walls as 3.5 inches and adjust the properties later. This is sometimes more efficient than adjusting width during input. Choose the Point Selection Input method from the right sidebar. The left snap point is already established because this is the first bearing of the project. If you are having difficulty snapping to points, adjust the snap settings to refine the snap options. It is best to toggle off the snap options not used to provide a smoother tracing process. So turn off everything except for endpoint, bearing envelopes, and work lines. For the first bearing, hold the Alt key when defining the right snap point. This inserts the bearing and sets the start point for the next bearing. So to quickly add bearings in sequence without you having to insert each bearing individually. Use the mouse wheel to zoom and pan as needed. After putting in the left vertical bearing, press Escape to exit bearing envelope creation mode. Put in the remaining walls at the rear of the garage. Right-click and select Add Bearing Envelope. Select the start point. Holding Alt, select the end point. After the final bearing, press Escape. Finally, we will select the walls that should be 2 by 6 by holding Control and moving the mouse to select the walls. From the right sidebar menu, change the thickness to 5.5 inches. A helpful tip is to use the Layout Options toolbar and toggle visibility of work lines. At any point after importing the DXF lines, you may choose to delete some or all of the work lines. Do this by selecting work lines from the scene or from the work lines collection. Holding Control and using the work lines filter is an effective way to filter selection of just work lines. Now that we've added our bearings, let's go ahead and delete the work lines. Press Control and the multi-select box appears. Change the filter, only have work lines selected. Now click and drag your mouse to select all the work lines using a selection window. Next, press Delete. Let's take a look at our walls in 3D. Select the 3D camera icon from the View Options toolbar. Press the right mouse button and move your mouse to rotate the 3D view. That's a wrap. I hope you're able to save time inserting bearings on your next project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.